Good morning, everyone. Ready to kickstart your day with a quick, energizing workout? This 5-minute morning routine is perfect for waking up your body, boosting your mood, and setting a positive tone for the day. Let's dive right in. We're starting off with jumping jacks. This quick, full-body warm-up increases your heart rate and gets your blood flowing. A great way to wake up your muscles and shake off any morning sluggishness. We will do this for 30 seconds. Next up, we have bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and lower into a squat. This exercise strengthens your legs and glutes, helping you stay grounded and feel powerful throughout the day. We will do this for 45 seconds. Let's target the upper body with push-ups. Push-ups build strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms. Perfect for toning and stability. Modify by keeping knees on the ground if needed. We will do this for 30 seconds. Now, let's get into mountain climbers. These engage your core, arms, and legs while boosting your heart rate. A fantastic move to burn calories and work on balance and coordination. We will do this for 30 seconds. Time for the plank hold. Get into a push-up position, then hold it. This move activates your core and improves posture, which is crucial for staying active and preventing back pain. We will do this for 45 seconds. Time for the plank hold. Get into a push-up position, then hold it. This move activates your core and improves posture, which is crucial for staying active and preventing back pain. We will do this for 45 seconds. Fantastic work! This 5-minute morning workout is a powerful way to energize your day. Remember, consistency is key. Start with a little, and soon you'll see big changes. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick workouts